In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create or make a Uber Eats account easily. First is to add in ubereats.com and then scroll down until you reach this section where you have to click on the lever with Uber Eats. Once you click this, you will be redirected into this page where you have to tap on the Get Started and create an account using your phone number or your email. Once done, you just need to tap on the Continue. And once your account or the basic account is created, you need to provide some personal info in this page. In this page, you also have to provide your vehicle info and submit the required documents or any local documents that will be needed for verifying or for checking the eligibility of your account. After that, you will undergo under the Uber Eats background check in order to approve the creation of your account. That's it. That's how you can create or make an account in Uber Eats, and thank you for listening.